This paint sprayer by Graco is well loved in this household. We've owned it for a few years now, and it has been an absolute go-to when it comes to all sorts of painting projects. It handles the job great. We're repainting another cabin, and it never disappoints. Obviously, one of the biggest reasons we keep reaching for it is how much time it saves compared to using a roller or brush. It delivers an even coat quickly and helps large projects move along much faster. So this one is the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer and is designed for DIY homeowners and remodelers who want professional looking results without spending a fortune. The pressure is fully adjustable, definitely gives you a lot of control. And another feature I really appreciate is that it can spray directly from either a 1 gallon or 5 gallon paint bucket using the flexible suction tube. We've used it for walls, exterior surfaces, and cabin projects, and it's consistently delivered reliable results. It also supports long paint hoses, which is helpful when you're trying to reach higher areas without constantly moving the machine around. Overall, this is one of those tools that has absolutely earned its place in our household. I definitely recommend.